Alright. So I pulled the old wheels and tires that was on the truck off and stuck these on it. These are just temporaries. And their tires are decent. This one's about ready to blow off the rim. So me and Colton, we're gonna go for a ride if he'll start. This battery that's in this truck has let us down many times already. So we'll see. Make sure all the wires are hooked up. The other day it wouldn't do nothing. Alright, come on, Colton. I forgot there's glass in the seat. May have to do a little cleaning first before we can go on our trip, buddy. Phew, we need to suck all this glass out of the seat. Okay, we will return. We gotta clean the glass up.
Calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Let's see if we can get Big Bertha turned around here. All them dogs are like, who is this, Fred? Alright, video over here now. This part. Hey, we're leaking a little water. Let's go. Look out, boy. Oh, we got a hot rod. Hey, it's been locked up. The grower's pretty good. I'm impressed. Who needs a roller 5.0? We got a flat cap at 302. Ooh, it starts feeling a little antifreeze. I don't know if it likes that little radiator or not. All these neighbors are looking at us like, what does this guy think he is? We're Mario and Daddy, that's who he is. Alright, well, I'm doing a thing. It's kind of pointless. Yeah, it's pointless. It's really stupid, but yeah, we're going to do it anyway. Here's what we're doing. Why in God's name would anybody work on this piece of crap, spend any money on it at all? A normal human being wouldn't touch it. This old truck runs so good like it is. But, I mean, I just can't leave well enough alone. So, I scrounged up enough stuff. And I built my wife I gave this to my wife. It's kind of like a joke, but she really wants it. So, this is what's in store. We're going to cut 16 inches out of it, make it a short bed. We're going to slick it up. I'm going to give it to my wife. But the engine that's in it, as good as it runs, it's just not good enough for my wife. So, I built her this engine. The carburetor's just on there just for pictures. It's a 40 over Mexican block 302. New mains, rod bearings, new cam bearings, cranks 1010. It's got new flat top pistons. It's got a bootlegger lunati camshaft in it. 549 lift cam. 1.6 rockers, roller rockers. GT40P heads. We upgraded the valve springs to a 600 lift valve spring. They're by Howard's. It's got Howard's lifters in it. It's got a wind intake. It's got a few good parts on it. I mean, kind of went cheap on the distributor because they're ready to run. They're cheap, ready to go. Still got to do my oil pressure sending unit. Picked this up from a guy in town. 650, or it's a 750 dual line double pumper. We'll stick that on that bad boy. And I'm in the process of right now, while I wait on some stuff for this. I mean, I have to change it up a little bit. Got these Eleanors that I'm working on. That one over there needs to be painted. Need to be working on this one. Both a few things that I have to put on it. I could be working on this, but I got to change it up. About 1 or 2 or 3 days out of the week or the month, I want to do something like this. So that's what I'm going to do. Keep myself happy. So as good as this thing runs, it's coming out, and that big shiny pretty motor's getting dropped right in here. So let's get to it.